Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going big with some life-changing opportunities. We're talking about the top 5 easiest online jobs out there, and you don't need any experience to get started. That's right, we're talking about diving into the world of making money online, from the comfort of your own home. No more bosses, no more commutes. Just you and your laptop crushing it in the digital world. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle, or you're just looking for a way to earn some extra cash, this video is for you. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into these awesome online jobs. First up, we're starting with something everyone can do, sharing their opinion. Online surveys are one of the easiest ways to make money online. Companies are always looking for valuable feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay you for it. All you have to do is sign up for a few reputable survey websites and start sharing your thoughts. It's literally that simple. You won't get rich doing surveys, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Plus, who doesn't love getting paid for their opinion? Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Just make sure you do your research and choose legitimate platforms. Now let's move on to something a little more hands-on. Ever wished you had an assistant to handle all the small stuff? Well, now you can be one, virtually. Being a virtual assistant is becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media, and so much more. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. Many virtual assistant positions offer on-the-job training, so you can learn as you earn. Plus, you can often set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Talk about freedom. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have good communication skills, then becoming a virtual assistant might be the perfect online job for you. Chapter 3. Unleash your inner wordsmith freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, then why not get paid for it? Freelance writing is a fantastic way to make money online, and there's a huge demand for talented writers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect businesses and individuals with freelance writers for various projects. We're talking blog posts, website content, articles, product descriptions, you name it. Don't worry if you don't have a journalism degree. Many clients on these platforms are simply looking for writers who can create clear, engaging, and well-researched content. Start by creating a profile on one of these platforms, showcasing your skills and niche interests. You can then start bidding on projects that interest you. Freelance writing can be a rewarding way to earn money while doing something you love. Chapter 4, Data Entry, Simple Tasks, Big Potential. Okay, this next one is for those who love organization and accuracy. Data entry might not sound like the most exciting job, but it's a great way to earn a consistent income online. Businesses across all industries need help inputting data into spreadsheets, databases, and other systems. And the best part is, most data entry jobs require minimal training. As long as you have a keen eye for detail and are comfortable working with computers, you can excel in this field. Plus, like many of the other jobs on this list, data entry can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. So if you're looking for a flexible and straightforward online job, data entry is definitely worth considering. It's all about finding what works for you. Chapter 5. Be a voice of help, customer service representative. Last but not least, we have a job that's all about communication. Believe it or not, you can actually be a customer service representative from the comfort of your own home. Many companies are now offering remote customer service positions, and they're often looking for friendly and helpful individuals to join their team. As a customer service representative, you'll be answering questions, resolving issues, and providing support to customers via phone, email, or live chat. The best part? Many of these positions only require you to have basic communication skills and a positive attitude. So if you enjoy helping others and have a knack for problem solving, this could be the perfect online job for you. Plus, you'll get to interact with people from all walks of life, which is always a bonus. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy online jobs that you can start today with no experience necessary. From sharing your opinions to helping others, there's an online job out there for everyone. Remember, the internet is your oyster. Don't be afraid to explore different options and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.